After eating okra, this is what happens with your body. Okra, also known as women's fingers herbamia, is a wonderful vegetable. It is spotless in the event that you are required to take care of your body through an eating routine. Consider the possibility of praising the essence of okra, and you will have more motivation to keep eating them. Make possible the chance that you are not such of an enthusiast of its taste. Then read purposefully what will happen to your body after its utilization. The healing components of the okra. 1. Strands, rich in filaments, which improves the absorption and heals the insides. It also aids us in effectively dispose of poisons in the digestion system. 2. Diabetes, lowers glucose levels, and it balances out glucose by taking full control of the rate at which sugar is ingested. 3. Pregnancy, okra is abundant in folates, which can be of a great importance in fetal advancement. It opposes unnatural birth cycle and fights deformities in the fetal neural tube. 4. Bones, strengthens your bones and averts osteoporosis since it's rich in vitamin K and folates, which helps the bones to become denser. 5. Asthma, rich in cancer prevention agents and vitamin C, and has mitigating effects. Moreover, it is very helpful against asthma and asthma attacks. 6. Respiratory issues, the leaves and blossoms of okra are used in treating pneumonia, bronchitis and regular IC and influenza. 7. Blockage, the filaments in the okra motivate and trigger legitimate retention of water, greases up the digestive organs and guarantee solid disposals. The fills in is a characteristic purgative. 8. Sunstrokes, in the event that you will feel the ill effects of sunstrokes, you can eat okra to calm shortcoming and fatigue from the warmth. 9. Colon disease, the filaments in the okra lessen the danger for colon and rectal growth. They are maintaining our insides tract, while the cancer prevention agents distribute with the free radicals. 10. Weight, okra has a few calories, while the filaments make you feel full. To add up, it is abundant with supplements. 11. Cholesterol, it drastically lowers down the cholesterol levels due to the great percentage of solvent fiber pectin. The pectin brings down the dreadful cholesterol and averts atherosclerosis. 12. Skin detoxifier, it cleans our skin from squanders and rebuilds our tissue. It forestalls skin pigmentation, lessens skin damage, and averts psoriasis and other conditions. 13. Hair, it nurtures the hair immensely, as it goes about as hair conditioner, it soaks your scalp while stopping dandruff. 14. Detoxification, it represents a huge advantage from the strands. They tie cholesterol and bile corrosive and launch poisons. 15. Resistance, enhances your impervious framework with the aid of the cancer prevention agents and vitamin C, and also other key minerals like calcium, manganese, magnesium, and iron. These are of a great importance for your body and help in the battle against free radicals. 16. Vision, rich in beta-carotenes, lutein and xanthine, which cease glaucoma in waterfall. 17. Pallor, with the aid of vitamin K, folate and iron, the okra will help your battle against frailty. Hemoglobin frames, the blood coagulates, and the creation of red platelets is enlarged. 18. Ulcers, it disposes of acids and rates up the healing process of peptic ulcers by giving an impermanent defensive help to the digestive tract. 19. Genital scatters, eat okra on the off chance that you are required to have an expanded sexual intensity. The okra can likewise treat issues like gonorrhea, leukorrhea, syphilis and dysuria, and counteracts over-the-top menstrual dying. 20. Proteins, okra seeds are rich in proteins, which is great for both veggie lovers and non-vegans. They are likewise rich in oils, amino acids like cysteine, tryptophan, and other. 21. Blood system, bolster your blood vessels by eating a lot of flavonoid and vitamin C rich leafy foods, for example, okra. 22. Probiotics, okra is giving power to the great microbes which flourish in your insides and gives assistance for a sound enteric tract.